Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to enable model watermark and time watermark in your Vivo Y11. So let's take a look how to do that. For example, if I open my camera and if I'm going to take a picture anything, if I go over that picture, I will notice there is appear model watermark and also time watermark. Maybe by default U1 is not available this model watermark or time watermark. For example, if you want to disable it or if you want to enable it, let me share with you. For that, you go over photo section and then click this gear icon. After click on gear icon, you will see it's appeared time watermark and model watermark. Now it's saying blue, that means it's already enabled. You can see this is yellow. For example, if I want to disable model watermark, time watermark, if I make it here, you can see this is appear white color, that means it's now invisible or it is not appear. If I again click time watermark, now if I'm going to take a picture, you will see that picture there is not watermark. So if you want to enable model watermark or if you want to enable only time watermark, so what you need to do, click this gear icon and then click here. If you want to, for example, I want to only time watermark, so I'm going to click this time watermark. And now if I'm taking any picture, you can see this picture going to appear the time watermark. So in this way you can easily take any picture with your Vivo Y11 with watermark. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.